Hello out there, this is Wake Angel 2001, and I gotta stop this before it becomes a daily series. We are doing some more unboxings of toys that got sent to me. So we're gonna start with this very cuboid thing. Get into it. Cover up the address of my hand so that, you know, nothing gets revealed. Alright, this one has a note inside. Read the first paper, then the second one. Oh, this is 2 of 2. Okay, so here's 1 of 2. Yeah, clever thing. Like, they did it so that message would be visible as soon as you undid the first fold. Okay, 1 of 2. Read this one, forward the commission. Oh dear. It's written in pencil. To Wake Angel 2001. Hi, you might remember me. I sent a commission to make the Ridley figures. Oh yeah, I remember the Ridley figures. My name is attached to the email. She's okay about for these 2 commissions. King Goji, fine now, commissions. Okay. OC, Vasto, the Thylacine, classic milestones. I'm just glazing over because I don't really want to read the whole personal message. Halo, 3D printing hands, no shoes, Okay, and then you use black marker to erase a whole bunch of stuff he obviously didn't want me to see. And then there's a second one. And like handwritten notes. Like, this is so quaint. People don't really do that anymore. I want your videos when I was 8. Oh, I want your videos when I was. I think he meant watch. Now I'm 18. You may be what I am today. You inspire me to make my own customs and keep doing what you're doing. Thank you. And token for a Gundam head and to weapon for your trials. Monsters. Okay. That's very nice. Okay, so the box itself has quite a lot of bubble wrap. And inside of that bubble wrap we have a bag. And inside of the bag, which is tied with a knot, is yet another bubble wrap layer. And inside of that is indeed a Gundam head. I think you just kind of stick that on there. Yeah. Gundam head. Oh, does this thing have... Oh. Oh, what is... Oh, that goes up and... What does this do? And then these pull out. It's... Huh. Interesting. I guess various elements of it open up. I don't know, I'll do a more in-depth, I'm gonna find out what this Gundam head is all about later. And what do we have here? We have, a Mega Construx Halo figure. Okay. These things, once you take the armor elements off, they leave reasonably blank bucks underneath. And, yes, this is a Metal Sonic, statue figure. I actually have a few of these. And a katana! Yes. I'm assuming that this is what that thylacine thing is going to be made with. And this is probably a stand for that Gundam head. Okay, yeah, I get this. I can see where this is going. Alright. Alright, I get this reference. I see what you're trying to go for there. We got that, So now we got a second box, which I'm going to open this way. I will say that this one clearly comes from the UK, because I see that Royal Mail, yeah, that thing on international standard. Yeah, I see like the shipping price is in pounds, so this obviously comes from the UK. And, come on, I'm trying to cut the tape, but the box keeps wanting to collapse instead. And like the way I'm doing this, because I'm left-handed, like, I guess since it's the scissors, like, well, if I stab myself in the liver, well, actually, because of the side it's on, it will be my spleen. I'm sure that'll be good for some clicks. Like, what the heck? heck? I hate it when boxes do that. Aha! Little did you know that these scissors are in fact scissors. Take that, oh foul box. Tape that refuses to be sliced as though with a knife. Yes. And funny. Oh wow, look at that. That is some artwork on there. That is, I could have sworn I made this character. Yes, I made this character. That's what it says inside. Dear Tyler, best wishes on your birthday. Stay safe. Lots of love, Zoe. I think this card was meant for someone else, but I recognize this character.
He sent you his card.
And look at all the super forms. Like that's like the ultrasonic transformation. That's doing the Super Saiyan 3 from Dragon Ball. That's a good old-fashioned supersonic. And I think that's like the Nazo transformation, the bluish hypersonic that never actually got into Sonic X. Yeah, like maybe hold it up a little closer to the camera. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's that's some stuff. That's a legit interesting little poster. Okay, the note in here. Okay, it's from Tyler. All right, so I know who it's from. I'm not gonna read the whole thing because that has his whole name and his home address, and we don't share that kind of information on the internet freely. All right, and in this box is contained a Jakks Pacific Sonic figure. Okay, probably wants me to make his character in the Jakks Pacific scale. Looks enough like Sonic that I could pull that off. And there's a second thing. Oh no, this is just filler to keep it from rattling around. Okay, yeah, so that is the Jakks Pacific Sonic figure. That's going to be customized probably into his fan character. Okay, that's all well and good. That's a good box. I put the note somewhere. It disappeared out of existence. I'll find it later. Okay, and okay, there's one more. This was Sparta 932. He just kind of, this is from a few months ago. He just wanted me to do the unboxing on camera. He told me in email. I'm gonna get to this one pretty soon. It's, but yeah, like he just wanted me to do an unboxing. I've already opened it, so I know what's in here, but it's kind of interesting. So the base figure, like, it's an Inkling figure from Splatoon, the Jakks Pacific figure. He wants me to make it into that that old guy, Captain Cuttlefish. Yeah. This is gonna be another Captain Cuttlefish. When he saw my Captain Cuttlefish figure that I made for Sparkle Wolf, he says, "Yes, please, give me some of that." So that, and it is also a little care package that contains quite a lot of Sonic figure parts, which could be especially useful, seeing as how I don't have my 3D printer working yet, so the parts in here might actually get used sooner rather than later. Got a lot of head parts. Oh look, that looks like a shadow where the stripes have been painted yellow. A couple more shadow heads. Got a metal Sonic head in there. Actually, there's quite a lot of metal Sonic parts. I see a torso. I see pieces of silver, wave. Got a bunch of limbs, bunch of shoes. Got Blaze the... Oh, look at that! Blaze the Cat's tail. I hear a lot of people lose that tail because it has a tendency to break off and then it disappears. I do recall having to glue my Blaze's tail back on at least once. So that is a thing. Yep, limbs from the Metal Sonic figure. Yep, this is just a box of useful parts, especially hands. Yes. The funny thing is, I've been collecting old Jazzwares figures parts for years, and certain parts are almost completely used up, like hands. Oh, look at this! It looks like someone tried to make a Dark Supersonic custom. Got a Supersonic head painted black with completely whited out eyes. That's kind of cool. So yeah, this seems to be one of those I tried to take up customizing myself, but in the end decided not to, and here's all the parts I made. Like, I gotten like 3 or 4 of those already. Okay, so... So yes, that is the content sent to me by Sparta932. So, gonna see Captain Cuttlefish come from that. So yeah, this is interesting. Like, this clearly wasn't made for me because it has someone else's name in it, but that is some really legit interesting artwork. I don't know, like, if I hold it from an angle, will it not reflect? Like, the camera I'm using doesn't have a forward-facing screen, so I can't really see until I look at the footage afterwards. But yeah. So, I gotta get this, all these things are dated, I'm gonna get the names on them so that I won't forget who came from what, and then I will put them in the stack so that I can adjust them. But, yeah, like I said, this is already the 3rd video, like, what is that, like, 4, like, this is almost 10 boxes that I gotten in, like, a week period. Like, I was hoping, well, you know what, let's just do that in the follow-up video. Let's end this part in a happy note. So, that's kind of cool. So, we'll see you in the next part. So, here it is, guys. This is the pile. So, yeah, this one back here in the corner, that was the last box that I was working on when I said, okay, I think maybe I can start accepting stuff. And this is all the stuff that came since that box. You know, for a little bit of context, each one of the tiles on my floor is a foot across, so this is 3 feet wide. And yes, it is blocking my closet because I live in an apartment and there's literally no place for me to put these things. So, yeah, I wanted to just say, I'll just accept fewer figures per box, and then it'll be fine. Then I'll just be able to fart them out as fast as they come in. Well, no, I did not expect everyone in the world to start sending me stuff all at once. So, yeah, as much as I hate to say it, I'm not going to be able to take any more figures in. Like, maybe if I was able to get a storage space, then I could keep all the boxes in there. But, you know, even then, like, what would that become of my life? You know, like, I am not a machine. I am a single man. I am just an artist and indulging in my hobby, and I'm not going to let it consume my free time. This is just something I like to do, and if it was all I did, I would stop liking it. So, yeah, I'm sorry if this inconveniences any of you, but I'm gonna have to stop accepting toys again. I mean, if we've already talked, then you're already sending, then we all know who you are, then yeah, we can go ahead and continue that. But yeah, new people don't expect to be sending me any stuff right now. At least not until I get rid of this. Which, like I said, since each box only has 2 figures now, hopefully that will take less time, but jeez, I did not expect this to become so out of control so fast.